Hey guys, Sensei V here. I'm in Tennessee at the Peace Pagoda Buddhist Temple. And we're climbing down this mountain. And I'm going to see if Sebastian comes to me without having to ask him. As you know, because we have a bond created by walking together every day. He always goes first, but he stops to take a look where I am. Oh, look, like he just did now. And he keeps going. Checks and keeps going. He's going to stop again. He's going to stop again to look at me to see if I'm still walking towards him. Watch. Oh, he just did. Now we are very far. Now I'm going to stop. He stopped, so I'm going to keep going. He checked on me and he keeps going. He kept going. Go. Do good. So now I'm going to stop. And I'm going to let him decide what he should do. A lot of people think that he'll just keep going to the woods and disappearing. He's off the leash. No. But I guarantee you he'll be back. Good job, Hill. Well done. Such a perfect dog. Good job, Sebastian. Let's go. Keep going. Keep us safe.